Square root of 45 plus square root of 15 upon square root of 45 minus square root of 15. How to simplify this? So there are two methods that we use to simplify it. However, in both of the methods, we will have to rationalize the denominator, because in the denominator we have radical. To rationalize the denominator, what we do? We multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate means if x plus y is in the denominator, its conjugate will be x minus y. This method is used to rationalize the denominator, because when we multiply and divide it by the same number, the fraction won't change and the denominator becomes a rational number. Now square root of 45, this we can write it as 5 times 9 under square root, plus square root of 15 is 5 times 3 under square root, upon same 5 times 9 under square root minus 5 times 3 under square root. Now when a times b is under root, we can write it as under root a times under root b. Therefore here we can write square root of 5 times square root of 9 plus square root of 5 times square root of 3 upon square root of 5 times square root of 9 minus square root of 5 times square root of 3. Now here square root of 5 is common, so we can take square root of 5, then times square root of 9 plus square root of 3 upon square root of 5, then times square root of 9 minus square root of 3. Now we can cancel these two like factors. Square root of 5. Square root of 9 is 3, so we can write it as 3 plus square root of 3 upon 3 minus square root of 3. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. So we multiply and divide it by the conjugate of 3 minus square root of 3. That will be 3 plus square root of 3. So 3 plus square root of 3 upon 3 plus square root of 3. Now if you consider 3 as a and square root of 3 as b, then it is in the form of a plus b times a plus b, or we can write it as a plus b whole square, and in the denominator it is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. So it is in the form of differences of square. This we can write a square minus b square. So we write it as 3 plus square root of 3 whole square upon 3 square minus square root of 3 square. Now a plus b whole square, we can expand it as a square plus 2ab, so 2 times 3 times square root of 3 plus b square upon 3 square is 9 minus, we remove the square root with the square, so it is 3. So 3 square is 9 plus 2 times 3 is 6 times square root of 3 plus remove the square root with the square, so it is 3 upon 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 9 plus 3 is 12, so 12 plus 6 times square root of 3 upon 6. Now take here 6 common, so it's 6 parenthesis 2 plus square root of 3 upon 6. Cancel this 6 and this 6. So answer is 2 plus square root of 3. So this is how we rationalize the radicals. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.